Okay, obviously I have the hiccups, but hi guys, good morning, welcome back to a start of another vlog. And oh god, I'm hiccuping, so whoever is thinking about me, stop thinking about me. But hey guys, what's up? I was just in the mood to vlog today, to film and just to take you around my, oh god, I was gonna hiccup again, but I just felt like vlogging, taking you guys around. I don't really have anything special planned. I'm just like chilling, having me time, running errands. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but obviously I'm still a little sleepy. It is almost 12 p.m. I did wake up a while ago, but I've just been editing, answering some emails. I didn't really get my day started. Every morning I drink this huge cup of green tea just because I feel like it helps with my digestion in the morning. And then I also have a little bit of coffee. So it's almost 12. I'm probably gonna make something to eat now and I'll take you guys with me. By the way, I know I'm looking very crusty. I have no makeup on and like my hair is a mess, but we're gonna let it be. Guys, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Your girl would really appreciate it. Anyways, let's go make some food because I'm hangry. Hey guys, so don't mind my kitchen. It's extremely messy, but I'm gonna make breakfast now, and I think I'm gonna make like eggs with mushroom and maybe a little kale. Let me get my cutting board, and wow, I'm a hot mess. So I got this really cute cutting board from Wayfair. It says my name on it and it's so cute. So I have some mushrooms, I have one egg, and I'm gonna get some kale and maybe a little bit of tomatoes. Okay, so I moved here because the lighting is a little bit better, but I was showing you guys my cute ass cutting board. It says my name and it's so cute and I love it. So I actually have a lot more ingredients than I thought I would have. So I have, like I showed you before, some mushrooms, some fresh kale, some serrano peppers, and some basil. So I'm actually not gonna make an omelet. I'm gonna make like a side of these vegetables and then just a scrambled egg, just because I don't really like all my vegetables in an omelet. So I'm gonna cut the mushroom and the kale first. I love mushrooms so much. I'm gonna take like 2 big ass mushrooms. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, it's already 12:06 and I usually have breakfast a lot earlier than this. I just didn't feel like eating. I ate a lot last night. It's probably why. I made these really good spicy beef cumin noodles, and they were pretty good. It was my first time cooking beef. Where did you get that apron? I want one.
You want this one?
Wait, come here. Come here. Come here.
Here.
I just want to see it. Oh my god, you look funny. I want an apron.
Yeah.
I don't want it now.
You can take it now.
No, are you done cooking? But I don't even.
I have another one. I have another one downstairs. Can I take one of these?
Yeah.
Okay,
so I have my apron on. This shirt's already so dirty because I cooked the beef in it last night. Okay, so I'm gonna keep cutting the mushrooms. Anyways, I made really good beef last night and it was my first time cooking beef, so I'm proud of myself. I was kind of inspired by, you guys tried what's that place called, that Chinese place that has the really good hand-cut noodles in the city, Zhao something, but I really like their spicy lamb noodles, so I was kind of inspired by that, although I did not have time to hand make noodles. So anyways, these are the mushrooms. I just finally chopped them. And I'm just gonna put them in my bowl. And always wash your hands, people, always. So I just put the mushrooms in here. And I'm gonna cut 1 small serrano pepper. And if you can't handle spice, I do not recommend getting these peppers because they are spicy. They're like, Okay, so I got the mushrooms, the serrano peppers all cut up. Now I'm gonna chop up some kale and some basil leaves. I don't know about you guys, but I love chopping and cutting. Most people don't like cutting vegetables, but I just have such a fun time doing it. So I'm taking a lot of kale because it's so good for you. And I'm just gonna finely chop it. To chop it as thin as possible so it could cook faster. And I'm just gonna put that directly in my pot. Now I'm gonna take maybe 1 or 2 basil, 3 of these, and I'm just gonna like rip it up and put it in there. Now we're gonna go to the stove where I stir fry all of this magic. Okay, so I just put a little oil in my pan and I'm gonna let it heat up a little bit. First thing I'm actually gonna do, I don't know if this is weird of me, but I'm gonna toast some sesame seeds. I love sesame seeds. They make every dish so flavorful. I'm just gonna pop some in the pan, or like a lot. There we go. I'm just gonna let that heat up for a little bit, and in the meantime I'm gonna fry up some eggs on this pot. Okay, look at my sesame seeds. They're all brown and toasty. If it would freaking focus. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm gonna add the mushrooms and peppers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm just stir frying the mushrooms. I'm gonna add salt. I know I'm crazy. I'm adding some mango habanero. Like a lot of it. That smells so good. If only you guys could smell this right now. I don't know about you guys, but I like my eggs scrambled, so I'm just scrambling some eggs on this pan. Now I'm gonna take the kale and just dump it into the pot. Guys, my camera died, so I'm using my phone. As you can see, I just stir fried the kale and the basil, the mushrooms, the pepper, the sesame seeds. Oof, you guys could smell this. But I like having this, and I like having that with some eggs. Just the eggs are kind of like not that great, but you know, they're just scrambled eggs. Yeah. And there we go. I cut a little bit of avocado, and here's my vegetable stir fry, which I'm so excited for. And then I just gave my mom a little plate too. Hey guys, it's a little bit later in the day. I don't know, I really haven't done anything besides relax. I've been watching Jane the Virgin all day, and I already watched the show, so I'm just watching it all over. Almost 3 o'clock. I think I'm just gonna start getting ready because I'm going out to dinner with my boyfriend later. Also, I have a Jolly Rancher in my mouth. Fun times. I don't know if you guys can even see me, but I don't feel like wearing too much makeup today. What I'm using on my face, I recently got this from Marshall's. This is the Dr. Wellness Vitamin C Brightening Skin Perfecting Vitamin C Serum. It's so soothing. It honestly brightens up your face. As you can see, I just feel like it just totally like rejuvenated my face, and it smells like oranges and just feels like I'm infusing vitamin C onto my face. I'm gonna be wearing this foundation. I literally show this in all of my vlogs. This is what I wear almost every day if I want something lightweight yet full coverage. So I'm just going to take a little bit. By the way, if you guys are wondering, I'm in number 208 Sun Beige. I'm just gonna dot that all over my face. I feel so low energy today, and I think it's because I haven't been taking my iron pills. And if you guys are anemic, you know how bad that is. I literally can't do it sometimes if I am not taking my iron pills, because I just feel so out of energy, and that's how I'm feeling today. So I'm gonna go take my iron because I have to stop being bad with that. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my foundation. I'll probably wear a little mascara, blush, and lipstick. That's literally what I wear when I'm lazy. I don't even wear mascara when I'm having a lazy day. Yeah, I don't contour. I don't do eyeshadow. I don't do eyeshadow. I don't contour. I barely even wear mascara. I don't fill in my eyebrows. I just have no energy to do all that, so I'm just gonna do my foundation. The brush I'm using is the Morphe brush M406. Don't mind my outfit. I'm literally just wearing this crop top with some pajamas. Been lazy all freaking day. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and then put this mascara on. This is the Ulta Beauty Bold Ambition Volumizing and Conditioning Mascara. I'm actually really excited for dinner tonight because we're going to one of our favorite spots. We used to go there all the time before this whole corona madness, and they're open. I think they're open for outside dining. If you guys live in New York, it's the restaurant called She in Long Island City. It is so beautiful. The food is so good, and you can literally see all of the New York City skyline. Really, I'm just gonna wait a bit before I wrap it off. I'm gonna let it dry. Oh my god, I really hope. I'm so low energy, and I'm really sorry if it's coming across on this video. I just am so, I can't. Also, I'm really scared that I need a root canal because I looked in the back of my mouth this morning and I saw like a little black like decay on one of my teeth, and I'm fucking freaking out. I've been googling root canals and the pain and how they do it all freaking day, and I'm just freaking scared because I hate tooth pain. Ooh, I feel like my lashes got so long during quarantine just because I like haven't been wearing any false lashes. I haven't been getting lash extensions, and I've been barely wearing makeup, so I feel like they got a little longer and healthier, which is a plus. Okay, I actually think I'm gonna do my eyebrows a little bit just because I haven't tweezed them in a while. I'm not gonna tweeze them, I'm just gonna shade them in with my handy dandy ABH eyebrow pat. All right, I'm gonna wet it a little bit. My eyebrows need to be done. They have not been done in a hot diggity minute. I can't believe it's already July, what's the date today? July 11th. Like, before you know it, it's gonna be August, and then it's gonna be freaking September, and then it's gonna be the holidays. Time goes by so quick. Okay, I think I'm pretty much done with the eyebrows. I'm just gonna do my lips now. I just wanted to wear something like nude, something, you know, my huge. I'm gonna wear my nudes. Anyways, I'm just gonna line my lips with this nude liner, and then I'm gonna wear my Kylie Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Bare. Wow, I realized I don't think my camera was focused this whole time. Now it's focused, so. I love these products mainly because they smell like vanilla cupcakes. I feel like I look so tan.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, sorry about that.
It's okay.
What you been up to?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
Nothing. I've just been being lazy. I'm trying to do my makeup right now to feel a little bit better. Yeah. When do you want to come over? Oh my god, I haven't worn this highlighter in so long. Pop Champagne. Is it? No, Champagne Pop. Becca Champagne Pop. Mainly because it's literally fucking broken. I'm still gonna attempt to put some on. I haven't worn highlighter in a hot minute. Me caliente minute. Yeah, so there we go. That's my makeup. Kept it very, very, very neutral. Literally as neutral as possible. Anyways, I'm gonna keep watching Jane the Virgin. I'm gonna go take my iron, and then I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, just got in the car. We're actually gonna go to dinner. Not really lunch, dinner. It's 4:30 right now, but my boyfriend just finished work and he's hungry, so we're gonna go, and I'm pretty hungry too since the last thing I ate was breakfast at like, well, brunch at like 12. So yeah, we're just getting gas now. My nails are nasty, but I'm excited for food.